In this video, I'm going to show you how to import audio recordings from the Voice Memos app on your iPhone so that you can create something like this.
Consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like this, usually pre-recorded but sometimes live, and don't forget to hit that notification bell.
I'm going to remove the existing audio. I'll tap on the audio and then locate the extract audio option and tap on it once. This will remove the existing audio since it's not the original. Before you import any audio recordings, it's important to remember that you must open the CapCut project you want to work with. So now that I've extracted the original audio that was here, I'm going to swipe up and close CapCut. Now I'll locate the Voice Memos app on my iPhone, which contains the original recording that I want to add to my new project. Tap on the Voice Memos app to select it and open it. Now I'll play the recording for you.
Consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like this, usually pre-recorded but sometimes live, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date when new videos are posted.
Tap the three dots on the right to bring up the share sheet. Tap on the share option. From this sheet here, swipe over in the row of apps and select CapCut. Then tap Import Audio to CapCut. And because I previously opened the project, the audio will be imported at the location of the playhead, so you might want to make sure to scrub back to the beginning of the video before you do this step. But if you need to, you can just move the audio by long pressing on it and dragging it back to the beginning of your clip. You'll want to remove the flat areas of audio like this by either trimming them from the beginning or the end of the audio, or splitting them from the middle of the audio.
Consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like
will
this,
make sure
usually pre-recorded but sometimes
audio
live.
recording
And don't
fits the duration of this 10-second video clip. Once you've trimmed the clip, you can move the audio into place so that it fits together nicely. Just long press and drag on the separate audio clips to move them into
Consider
position.
subscribing to the channel for more videos like this, usually pre-recorded but sometimes live. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date when new videos are posted.
Now you can export the video by tapping on the export icon. It's important to leave the green screen in place because you might be using this clip over top of another video.